So today's video is showing you how to know the keys on the piano, and we'll learn the beginning of Amazing Grace. And this video is for those who speak Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti. So first note you find is 2 black keys and 3 black keys. And when you go to the left of 2 black keys, you find Do. And for those who speak more like English, it's going to be a C. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to call it Do. Then the next key is in between 2 black keys is Re. And for English is a D. For the right of the 2 black keys is E. And for our video, it's Mi. So we had Do, Re, Mi. And they all have unique position in regards to the black keys. On the left of 3 black keys, we have Fa, or in English F. And then we have 2 spaces in here on the left and on the right. The one on the left is a Sol, and the one on the right is La. And in English, it's G and A. So this is Sol and this is La. And the last note we have is on the right of 3 black keys, which in French system is C or T. And then for our purposes also it's B. So we have Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti or Si, and then again Do, and it repeats. Remember to use black keys as your guide. So that's it. And now the melody starts with Do with finger 1 or thumb, and then 2 on Fa, which is on the left of 3 black keys, and then finger 4 on La, which is this second space on the right. Then step down to Sol and step down to Fa and back with finger 4 to La. And there we go. Amazing Grace.